It's a given now that energy storage will be key to powering the planet without fossil fuels. Lithium batteries and the component parts of those batteries are at the heart of that. Shenzhen Senior Technology Material has been expanding its operations with a new production center in Sweden. I sat down here at COP28 in Dubai to talk to CEO Jason Hai and Sustainability Officer Åsa Brunson. Åsa, Jason, great to see you. Thanks very much indeed for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
First of all, Jason, it's a very specialized product that you produced. Give us an idea about how it works and also, crucially, who makes use of it.
Shenzhen Senior Material produced the battery separators for the components. This is a key for isolate the cathode and anode to prevent the short out and overheating. And also this is a key component to increase the battery density and about the recycling times. And we make the electrification safe. You know, the batteries is combined with everybody day-to-day life, your cell phones, laptops, and also your EV cars and the storage. And we come to Europe to set up 2 large-scale factories to support the localization for the whole European battery makers.
So essentially, anyone who's making a lithium battery in Europe could consider coming to you for those parts to help them make the battery.
Yeah, sure. This is the key for the batteries that prevent the overheating and prevent the shortcuts and contributes more than 20% about the value about the batteries. It is the key top 3 components in the batteries. And today life, everybody is enjoying about the batteries to provide a really good service to you, like electronics and laptops, phones, and also the automotive and storage batteries in your homes. So this is day-to-day life for you. Everybody can enjoy the batteries. So we provide the best performance components to increase about the performance for the batteries and also the recycle performance for the batteries.
Well, also, Jason talked about CO2 emissions. He talked about the recycling element as well. Presumably, the kind of work that you're involved in, sustainability is the heart of everything you do.
Yes, it is. It actually is. So it's not only that we are helping other industries to manufacture and doing the green transition while the product we are selling, but we're also working very hard in our products and our production process in what we do. So it's about finding good ways how to reduce emissions, how to recycle things, but it's also to being a good partner to other companies with responsible business and to be a responsible society member and to work with our people, of course, to have a good company to be working in and to be able to develop in.
The supply chains, I guess, it must be a big part of that for you because you're constantly involved with so many different clients.
It is. The supply chain is key, and that's why we are in Europe right now.
Now, electrification is what this is all about. You must have quite a bit of confidence in the future of the electrification process if you're moving a plant to Sweden. How important do you think electrification is going to be?
So everybody knows about the climate change. We ask everybody to feel the pressure that everybody is getting rid of the fossil fuels in the planet. I think everybody is working on that. So electrification is the key and the best solutions because the battery storage, the green energies from everywhere and flows to all kinds of people can use it. So we come here to accelerate all the process for the electrifications, and we provide the best components to make the batteries well and friendly for the users and increase the density about the batteries, and you can use a lot of times in the recycling, and we make the electrification safe.
How confident are you that the lithium battery technology will be relevant for decades to come? Presumably there are other ways being researched of producing batteries. I mean, how flexible is your product for working with other systems of electricity storage?
So we have all kinds of series about the product, and also we have the joint development with our customer and also with our suppliers. So we are the key and heart about the batteries. We are pushing the highest technology, advanced technology. I think for the next generation, about the batteries or other solutions, we are also the key because we are the engine to pushing and moving this technology and the industry. We're moving this world to next generation.
One of those advancements, and is being discussed a lot at the moment here also, is this idea of going local. Yeah. That's based to supply chains as well in many ways. How important is it that the Swedish operation is a more localized event than it would be, say, sourcing the products from China, for example? That plays a big part in the sustainability program, does it not?
It is. I think that's one of the key solutions to have a more efficient and sustainable supply chain. So our establishment in Sweden is based on that we need a local supply chain in Europe, for Europe. So we are working very hard on establishing our plant and have the full process for the separator film adjustments. So we are building our factories now that will enable this. And this will be a key for Europe and for the green transition overall.
What's interesting is here at COP28 we've seen so many more business delegates coming here than in previous years, and many of them are trying to establish a coherence about how people can work together, involving partnerships, involving perhaps a different way of looking at competition. Now, you're a Chinese firm that has put itself locally into Europe. Perhaps a European company should have done that. I mean, is it that you're moving faster than other companies, or that you're embracing the change quicker? How's that dynamic working, do you think?
I think we're embracing the change very quickly. I think what we are doing is bringing the Chinese technology to Europe and combining that with the knowledge in sustainability in Sweden. And together that will be a really good match. And we are working really tight together to make this happen. And I think we have an excellent collaboration, and we have a multicultural team working with us. So for us, the diversity and working with inclusion is a natural part because we have the same objective. We want to achieve the green transition. And that's by setting our manufacturing plant in Sweden up in a good way.
So we're talking about collaboration and partnership. Do you see your organization as having some kind of leadership role, being part of something new rather than just part of an established organization? Do you have faith in the greening revolution, if you like?
Yes, and to electrify the society, collaboration is the key. And also in our DNA, the collaboration is the key for us to success. In this big society, in this industry, no one company or one person can produce the whole supply chain and to support this society. And we are a part of the whole supply chain. And since we work with the suppliers and work with the customers, we develop together for this industry and for the next generation about the new product. So collaboration should be the key for us to make the electrification safe and make everything smooth.
It's funny, it strikes me that you're kind of a very small part of the chain because you're producing this very specific element of it, but it's crucial to the bigger picture. What's your vision of the greening of international economies?
Yes, to electrify the world, I think the collaboration is the key, because in this technology and in this industry, not only one company or one person can produce the whole supply chains. So we are using I think this is a collaboration. That's everybody using their expertise to produce the best technology, and the collaboration to make the battery and the electrification is very good, and the progress in the future. So this is the key for us to success.
Now, also for you personally working in the sustainability space, you must already have quite a bit of communication with other organizations around you, other companies around you. Do you feel you're part of some sort of a new family? Do you feel you're part of something new rather than just trying to modernize something old?
Absolutely. I think when it comes to sustainability, it's not about competition, and that's a big difference when you talk about different areas. So sustainability is about sharing, and we do it for our own sakes, for our own future. And it's really another feeling when you talk to other companies about sustainability and how we can grow together for the future.
Awesome. Jason, thanks very much indeed. Great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.